Bluetti delivers convenience to you with easy power access. Welcome to Bluetti support. Today we're going to introduce the EP500. This is the versatile EP500 solar power station. It has a 2,000 watt pure sine wave AC inverter and supports 600 watt max AC, 1200 watt max PV, and 1800 watt max dual recharging. Open the box and you'll see the following accessories: AC charging cable, PV charging cable, user manual, warranty card, and QC certificate, and the EP500 power station. We also provide other optional accessories:
generator charging cable, 12 volt 30 amp RV output cable, P020A fusion box, D300S PV voltage step-down module, smart home panel.
There's no need to use a bulky adapter outside the unit since it's built into the EP500. The charging rate can reach 600 watts using a single AC adapter. The standard PV charging cable supports up to 1200 watt solar input. Solar panels can be connected in series and parallel. If you plan to recharge the EP500 via gasoline generator, you'll need this generator cable, the same as via wall outlets. These two cables can connect to the 12 volt 30 amp output. Use the first cable to connect to devices with an XT60 plug, or connect the second one to charge devices with an SPC45 plug, which is compatible with Anderson ports. This is the fusion box. Connect two EP500s using the box and the communication cable to reach 200 volt, 4000 watts output. This device is able to step down the voltage of solar panels to an appropriate range, which is 120 volts to 550 volts and 3000 watts output. This is the Bluetti smart home panel, and by connecting it, the EP500 will provide power supply when power outages occur.
The EP500 is a residential power center that not only provides backup power for blackouts, but also features multiple ports to run all your devices at home.
You can easily lock the bottom wheels to stabilize the power station. The general power switch is on the back of the EP500. Press it each time before use. Long press the startup button to power on. The touch screen is next to it, where you can configure a number of output ports, UPS functionality, and more.
These functions can be set up on the app as well. Download the Bluetti app and register. Scan the QR code on the back of the EP500 and add the device. You're good to go.
The US version of the EP500, which is the model we will be demonstrating in this video today. These are the models from the EU, UK, and Australia. The EP500 has four 2000 watt AC outlets. You can turn on the AC output switch via the touchscreen at the top. This is the input panel for charging and communications. This is the AC input. Plug it in and twist till tight, and then connect the cable to a wall outlet for AC charging. This input is for PV charging. Plug it in, twist till tight, and use this cable to connect with OCV 55-145 solar panels. And this is for communications. Plug the cable in, twist to tight, and you can connect two EP500s using the fusion box. Many DC ports are available on the top. Turn on the DC startup on the screen to activate DC output. The USB-A and 100 watt USB-C are for charging electronic devices. This 12 volt 10 amp cigarette lighter port is for vehicle devices. The two DC 5521 ports are for charging routers, monitors, or similar devices. And you can use this 12 volt 30 amp port to do some DIY work. But please note, optional equipment is required to connect to an XT60 or SPC45. The two wireless charging pads will be activated only if the DC is on. Place your cell phone horizontally on either of them for better performance. Okay, that's all we have for today. Please click the button to follow us if you like our channel. The product link is in the description, but you can message us if you want to learn more. See you next time.